Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix disk management. There is not enough space available on the disk. Solved. Open disk management. We want to combine two drives, error displayed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Star undine shows disk is dynamic. Select disk 1. Type clean. Type convert GPT. Create new simple volume. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.